how to link TikTok Shop to TikTok account. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to connect your TikTok Shop that you have created with your TikTok account. Whether it's a main account or an account that you want to be used as a promotional account for your different products. To be able to do that is very simple. Simply start looking over here on the left side. These are the different tools available for us to use in our Seller Center. Scrolling down to the bottom, you will be able to see here, My Account. Simply click this and you will be able to see all the features that are related to managing your account. And as you can see, one of the options is to link TikTok accounts. Simply view this or click it to view the different information related to that section. And in this section, this is where you should be able to add a linked account as well. As you can see here, you will be able to see the currently linked account, and you can easily unlink it and add another account that is going to be linked to your TikTok Shop account. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.